Hi friends, do you know that chewing gums are used since ancient times in different forms? Ancient Greeks chewed on mastic tree bark. 374 billion. Look at this number. 374 billion chewing gums are sold every year. Many people believe that chewing gum is not good for health. In India, some people consider chewing gum as a sign of disrespect, arrogance, and a lack of discipline. But do you know that chewing gum has several benefits for your teeth and gums when used properly? Let's see that. Chewing gums can greatly improve your dental health. It works in two ways. When you are chewing a gum, all of a sudden you are producing a lot of saliva. This increased saliva can wash away bad bacteria, remove the acid sticking onto the teeth, and prevent plaque. So, chewing gum is one simple and effective way to prevent tooth decay and cavities. Also, do you know that our saliva contains calcium, fluoride, and phosphates, which can remineralize the teeth and strengthen tooth enamel. So, if you are losing tooth enamel, start on chewing gums. In short, chewing gums can greatly reduce cavities, prevent plaque formation, and strengthen teeth and enamel. Wait, now I have the most important information. Do all chewing gums work the same way? What is the best chewing gum to use and how to take it? Chewing gums are basically two types, sugared and sugar-free. Sugared chewing gums can have a lot of sugar in them. For example, this one has sugar in this. You know, sugars are not only harmful to teeth but also for your overall health. So, only take sugar-free chewing gums. In sugar-free chewing gums also, make sure they don't contain these bad ingredients. BHT, titanium dioxide, and aspartame. These ingredients are not safe when used in large amounts, so avoid such gums. In America, you can find chewing gums with ADA seal on them. Something like this. ADA seal means it is accepted for oral hygiene. For example, this is a sugar-free chewing gum and it has ADA seal. Whereas this one is also sugar-free chewing gum but there is no ADA seal. I would prefer the one with ADA seal. Again, this kind of seal is something nice to have but it is not that important. Of course, you definitely know this. Sugar-free chewing gums also taste sweet because they contain sugar-free alternative sweeteners. Especially look for a sweetener called Xylitol. Xylitol is super duper healthy for teeth and gums. Xylitol is studied to prevent tooth decay by killing bad bacteria in the mouth. So Xylitol promotes dental health and at the same time it is so sweet. Here is one chewing gum brand that is using Xylitol. There are other brands also that use Xylitol. Here is a summary on how to find a best chewing gum. It should be sugar-free. It should not have bad ingredients. It can optionally have ADA seal if you are in America. Look for Xylitol. Now, when to take the chewing gums and how long? Though the chewing gums I mentioned are super healthy for teeth, it is important to know how to chew them and when to actually take them. My friend takes a chewing gum and keeps on chewing it for hours and hours. That's not good. When you chew on something for a really long time, you are actually straining your jaws and hurting your teeth. As you are continuously hitting your teeth with other teeth, you are weakening the teeth enamel and it can cause sensitive teeth. So, take chewing gums only once a day or on alternate days. Also, chew them only for 20 to 30 minutes maximum. After 30 minutes, it is not doing any good to your teeth. The best time to take a chewing gum is half an hour after your lunch. This is the time when plaque starts settling on the teeth, and at this time if you chew a gum you can disturb the plaque and get rid of the bad bacteria. And make sure to chew only for 20 minutes. Well, the benefits of chewing gum doesn't just end in the mouth. Chewing gums can greatly reduce stress. Chewing gums are also associated to increase alertness and improve memory. Chewing a gum is also linked to weight loss. When people take chewing gums between the meals, it reduced unwanted sugar cravings. That's all. Chewing a right gum is an effortless way to maintain dental health along with other benefits. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.